All right, let's get right to it. If you work in finance, you know the pressure, deadlines, reports, audits, compliance, it never stops. But what if I told you that AI isn't just the next big thing? It's already saving professionals like us both time and money. Today I'm breaking down 5 powerful AI tools that are changing the game fast. First up, let's talk about Kira systems. If you've ever had to comb through endless contracts or legal documents, you know it's tedious and it's easy to miss crucial details. Kira uses machine learning to scan, flag, and summarize contracts, pulling out essential data points in seconds. That means less risk, fewer mistakes, and a lot more coffee breaks. Next, there's AlphaSense. Imagine having an assistant who reads every research note, news article, and earnings call transcript for you. AlphaSense does just that. You type in your query, and its AI instantly surfaces relevant insights from millions of documents. So, you're not just informed, you're ahead of the curve. Third on my list is data rails. If you're still wrangling spreadsheets, this is for you. Data rails uses AI to automate financial reporting, budgeting, and forecasting, integrating with your existing Excel files. It slashes the time spent on manual updates and lets you focus on the analysis that actually drives business forward. Fourth tool. Up next is MindBridge. If audits make you break out in a sweat, you'll want to pay attention. MindBridge uses AI to analyze every transaction in your ledger, highlighting anomalies and risks that traditional sampling can miss. It's like having a forensic accountant working 24/7, but without the overtime costs. Finally, let's talk about Tesorio. Cash flow forecasting is the lifeblood of any finance department, but it's notoriously tricky. Tesorio's AI connects directly to your systems, predicting cash inflows and outflows with surprising accuracy. That means smarter decisions, fewer surprises, and a stronger bottom line. So, let's recap. Kira systems for contracts, AlphaSense for research, data rails for reporting, MindBridge for audits, and Tesorio for cash flow. Each one is designed to cut down on busy work, reduce risk, and free up your time for strategic thinking. If you're not using AI yet, you're not just missing out, you might be falling behind. The future of finance is here, and it's working smarter, not harder. Try these tools, and watch your productivity and your bottom line take off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.